Ja!
Ha, jekk titgħandek dan.
Smajt ismi.
Ta' minti fiswa ħallini nieħu.
Ja! X'tagħmlu? Ma tikulx ħaħa qudiem in-nies. Buongiorno!
Buongiorno, I'm sleeping.
Our taxi driver.
Hi, this is Jessica.
Jade.
She has speech stuck in her teeth. This is Mirjana. She can't open her eyes. This is David, as stupid as always. And this is cute Gina, who drove us here. Thank you so much, Gina. We really appreciate it.
This is Jamie, a Maltese actor and radio host. He gets very shy when I talk about his work, because even though he's very famous in Malta, he doesn't want anyone to know it.
Cringiani. You cringe me.
I have my mandatory iced coffee in the morning, and they have the cappuccinos. How are the cornettos? Good, good, good.
Ja. Għadset, mandunaċ.
Say something to your friend.
Which who?
Us, we are your only friends. Natale, super fare di più. Che? Perno. Natale buon.
This is Cosenza. It cannot be seen very clearly on the camera, but it's very lovely.
It's a bridge.
A bridge.
That is a bridge. Calatrava.
How nice.
Bridge. Calatrava is there.
Bellissimo qui, bellissimo.
Nella giornata.
This is Sila. No, it's Sila. It's in the mountains, right? It's in the mountains. We have almost all of the Maltese group here, and Gina brought us to Sila with her own car, and we're very grateful for it.
Lol. It's hot,
There's also a Christmas shop. And this one is open all year long. Even in the summer.
I can't bend Masha.
That's what she said.
Ho ho ho.
What the f?
Ja. Copyright. Oh, dormi għaj bħalu. Oh, dormi għaj.
Oh, le, man, bid-diska.
Wait. Hey.
They told me. Then they told me, oh, the men's toilet is free. Ah, okay. I don't. You're wasting minutes.
Alright.
Wait, stop it. Oh, but don't.
No, we are ready to come in.
Oh, Madonna xarek.
Dettek il-logo ta' Medowli. Bix-xemx.
This is patate imbacchiate. Patate imbacchiuse. And theirs is with mushrooms. Ours is plain. What? Imbacchiate. Imbacchiuse. Wow.
Benvenuto alle uomini e donne. Sono Maria De Filippi.
And Gina like this. Do it again. Wait.
Roberto Bernini.
Ah, un espresso. This is my first espresso. Because I drink cappuccino and Americano. Ah, yes. And I'm a barista, Boomerang. Schoen, I think it's hot, yes.
Yes, hot. Hot. You want some?
بالكافيه.
Take.
زينك.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, go.
Mission on Park of Sea.
Releasing music.
Oh, it looks like Game of Thrones.
Big girls, you are beautiful.
Ooh.
Big girls, you are beautiful.
This is a park. It's a park in Cosenza. تشبه
طيبة.
اسمع دايما فوق ما sostanza qiegħda. It's raining. Magic mushrooms. Oh look, there's trash. Now it's running. It looks like an abandoned elvish bench. Ara Jamie.
Għamil ħara. Għana s-sadistriħata ħara ġenerali. Għadġi fuq għasjaw.
Asju għazal axħa.
Għasjaw, xinu għal it-trak. Zaħi tal-ġejmu ta' fuq television. Ledi ta' milax.
Għal-post fej kienet għed Kristjan.
Taqsam la dajja, ġess. Ara l-Madonna. U Mirjana. Mela.
Kif din,
Ara ġess. Il-jum.
MGM.
Bad habits
Baby, I can't wait to know what you.
Alla mustachi. And here's Jimmy driving us back to our accommodation. Oh my god, you're so red.
Cerco un centro di gravità permanente e non mi faccia mai cambiare idea sulla...
Lisba, l-aħmar għawek. Ja, għala kakura.
Għandek xi komment dwar il-ġurnata tal-lum?
Kam kienet relax, man. Kon ħatta mal-barra ħatta.
Nifhem, għatta ġurnata mija kieġi ma tantx kienet
Pjaċevoli. Morru għal-ġurnata. Il-ġurnata tiegħek kienet pjuttost tajba, kellna bżonna il għaliex hawnhekk qegħdin daqsxejn fil-bini u m'hawnx affarijiet daqshekk sbieħ. U llum rridu naqra rajna n-natura, rajna l-muntanji u ħadd gost ħafna rrid jiġifieri nħoss nisni ħriġt barra mill-pajjiż. Qed tifhem u nħoss nisni qiegħed daqsxejn fuq holiday. Grazzi ħafna tal-kontom ħa noħorġu ġifieri il-lejl għandu jkompli bil-kbir. Laħ għandkom xi kummenti oħra fuq xi żidu?
Calm down. Calm down, calm down. Do you like the passion fruit?
She like. Oh, it's hurts on my door. Ella. Yeah. What you like? Should I? No. Should I? No.
Good night. Look at this. Wait, you cannot look at it, but it's 3 o'clock. Oh my god. Good night for today, because we're going to be very tired now.